is a day when a procession begins from Alandi to Pandharpur. And this procession is of the Paduka of Santa Jnaneshwar. Santa Jnaneshwar is fondly called as Mauli in Marathi. Mauli means mother. Santa Jnaneshwar is also considered as the foundation of the Varakari Sampradaya or Bhagavad Sampradaya in Maharashtra. It will not be as an exaggeration that if I say that Santa Jnaneshwar is also the foundation of the great Marathi literature, and thus we can see a mother has given so many things, and that is why Santa Jnaneshwar is mother for many things. The literature of Santa Jnaneshwar is exorbitant. You can see Agam, Nigam, Karma Shastra, Bhakti Yoga, Sankhya Yoga, multiple Madhyam Marg, or maybe multiple things which are foundation or fundamental of Indian philosophy. To understand this, one video won't be sufficient. But today I am going to make you or maybe take you on a journey of a heroine protagonist. She has been separated from her lover for a long time. And this is a day when she is longing for her beloved to come. The summer is scorching and it is still not the end of summer. And suddenly there is welcome which is happening by means of the clouds which are getting collected in the sky. The clouds are making noise, the wind is blowing, and this heroine is running in the gallery of her house along with her friends, along with her companion friends, and says some deeper things which have been written in multiple Viranis or Virahinis by Santa Jnaneshwar. Before we understand about this Virahini, let us hear this Virahini in the voice of Lata Didi, and which has been composed in the music or set into music by Pandit Hridaynath Mangeshkar. After hearing this Virahini, we will understand what are the emotions, what is the basis, what Santa Jnaneshwar wants to talk about this Virahini to all of us, and why we are that heroine. Let us explore that too.
तेव्हा फुले बाप रखुमा देवी वरे मजैसे केले दर्पणी.
So let's get into the journey of this Virahini. This Virahini is called as Virahita Kanthita Naika. That means a heroine protagonist who is separated from her beloved or lord. What is she saying when she is in the gallery of her house and she is talking to her friends? She says, "Ghanu aze ghuna ghuna vara vahiruna zuna bhavataruku ha kanha vegi bhetavaka." The clouds are making sound like ghun ghun and the wind is making sound like runzun. This has multiple aspects or multiple meanings. We can take it out. When every year, when the Ashad month comes, the pakwa starts getting played and the tal starts ringing itself. Somewhere it is also a mind of that Warkari or a person who takes Wari to Pandharpur. This is a symbol of that pakwa's noise or maybe tal. However, in this Virahini or Virani, she says that the sound of the cloud is ghun ghun and the wind is runzun. Please call that Bhavataruku Kanha fast. Please call him fast. When we talk about this Bhavataraku, this is a specific word. Bhavataraku means someone who will take you away from the circle of life and death, or maybe from the circle of happiness and sorrow. And who is going to take me away out of this kind of separation, agony, or maybe the pain? It is that Kanha who is going to Bhavatar me. That means who is going to take me away from such kind of condition. Chandu wo chandane, so chape wo chandane. The moon, the stars, flowers of chapa or champa, or the sandal paste. Everything is so beautiful, everything is aromatic, and everything is so soothing and cooling. Devaki Nandane Vina Navadeho. But then all this thing is in vain. Unless there is Devaki Nandan, that is my beloved, that is my Krishna, who is not with me. Sant Jnaneshwar has utilized this word Devaki Nandan. I think so he has utilized it purposefully, because after the birth of Krishna, Devaki, who was mother of Krishna, was separated from him for a long time. And here the heroine also wants to emphasize on that long time separation, just same as Devaki and Krishna. It is similar kind of long separation. That is what she is feeling. This Naika is Virahita Kanthita, and this is not a Vasaka Sajjika Naika, because she is not decorating her bed or maybe preparing everything to welcome the welcome Nayak or maybe the beloved at home. But she knows that this separation is for long time, and this separation is not going to end early or maybe sooner, and that is why it is Virahita Kanthita, that means longing and yearning for the union. Chandanachi choli माझे सर्व अंग पोळी. Even if I will wear the cloth of sandal paste, it is considered as sandal paste soothes you, cools you, and cools your body. Even if I am wearing the clothes of sandal paste, it is still burning me. I am burning from top to toe. And in this burning is of separation from my beloved. सुमनाची शेज शीतलवनिकी पोळे आगी सारखी वेगी विझवाका. I have made my bed with jasmine flowers or maybe soothing flowers. And even if that bed is made, decorated, I sleep over there, it is burning me. That soothing or cooling effect is not affecting me at all. I am still burning. तुम्ही गातसा सुस्वरे ऐकोनी दावी उत्तरे, कोकिळेवर जावे तुम्ही बाई अनु. You are singing here. Look there, the cuckoo is also singing so beautifully. But then please stop. Can you find out the answer? How will I stop burning in this separation? Please find out this answer. That is what the Virani is saying, Virahini is saying. दर्पणी पाहता रूप न दिसव आपुले, बाप रखमा देवी वरे मजा ऐसे केले. Even when I see now in the mirror, I don't see myself. I am vanished. I am vanished in this separation. I am vanished in this pain. I am vanished in the agony, and I am vanished in that person, that beloved, or maybe Bapa Rakhma Devi Varu, that is Vitthal or Krishna, and I am vanished in that. Now I cannot see anything, but I can see him and him. Please call and bring him here. In Virahini, it is very particular about Jnaneshwar. It talks about longing and yearning of the mind. This mind can be of anyone. This mind can be of me. This mind can be of you. This mind can be of anyone. In Indian literature, Sakhi is considered as the form of Guru. So whenever the heroine protagonist is talking to Sakhi, or maybe Sakhi is talking to the hero or the Nayak, then it is a messenger or a guru who is talking to the Atma and Paramatma. According to a famous Bharatanatyam performer, Srimati Bhaga Besel, Sakhi is considered as guru. She passes on certain things to you. She passes on your thing to the Lord, and this guru is going to guide you. In this form of Virahini, Sant Jnaneshwar has come in our life as that Sakhi. And we are talking to Sant Jnaneshwar as a Virahini and explaining our mind. With this Virahini, Sant Jnaneshwar is also giving us guidance or mentoring us that you are no other, but you are the one who is the entire universe. And this separation is your bodily or maybe your form related things. It is going to vanish. One day you will be the universe and universe will be within you. धन्यवाद. बोला पुंडलीक वरदा हरि विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम.